Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today we are making a soft, juicy and delicious sweet, Suji Ras Pitha. It is light, fluffy, soaked in creamy caramel milk and melts in your mouth. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add half cup curd, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, whisk until smooth. Now add 1 cup suji. Suji is used in many classic sweets because of its wonderful texture. Half cup milk. Mix everything well. And let it rest for 10 minutes. In a pan add half cup sugar and 1 teaspoon water. Cook until the sugar turns into a golden caramel. Now carefully add 2 tablespoons water and stir well. Make sure the caramel is golden, not too dark. Pour in 2 cups milk and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Caramel gives the milk a rich color and deep flavor. Keep it aside while it stays warm. Now add half cup flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder into the batter. Pour in 1/4 cup milk and mix until the batter becomes smooth and creamy. Lightly grease a teacup with oil. Fill each cup with the batter. Place them over boiling water and steam for 15 to 18 minutes. Steaming makes the pitha soft and light. Once cooked, gently remove the pitha from the cups. Arrange them in a serving mold. Pour the warm caramel milk over the pitha and let them soak. Pour warm milk over the pitha so it absorbs the flavor better. Finish with chopped cashews on top. Now your soft and creamy Suji Ras Pitha is ready to serve. Milk provides calcium and protein. Your Suji Ras Pitha is ready, soft, creamy and soaked with rich caramel milk in every bite. This is a dessert your family will ask for again and again. Follow an oven cake and cookies for more easy dessert, traditional sweets and homemade recipes.